Hello friends, welcome to my channel Omer But, and in this video I will teach you that how we can create a Google ad account in 2023. So once you have opened your Gmail account, you can proceed to the adwords.com or ads.google.com. Okay, so if you open like adwords.com, see, this will redirect to ads.google.com. So ads.google.com, actually it's the subdomain of Google, and from here we can start the Google ads. So what are the Google ads? Like you can grow your business with Google ads, and we can run different types of ads like search ads, display ads, shopping ads, performance max, and a lot of other ads. So the thing is now how we can start. So even you can see this is a new account, and it's saying to me like, to help you get started with Google ads, we will give you $400 in free ad credit when you spend $400. So once we will spend $400 in this account, Google will give us $400 in free ad credit. So we can click on the start now. So it's getting started. So let's get started. What is your business name? So here you can tell your business name like IT Solutions. Okay, for instance, my business name is IT Solutions. Definitely you will type here your own business name. So this helps us show your ad when people search for you by name. You can also, are you a professional marketer? So you can switch to expert mode. Let me show you. If we go to the next, so where should people go after clicking your ad? So here you will type your website, and here a lot of other things. So this is for actually for a new campaign. So instead of creating a new campaign, what we can do, we can go professional marketer, switch to the expert mode, because later, like after the creation of account, we can start a new campaign, and during the creation of campaign, during the making of campaign, we can type each and everything. Once they are asking us, like now they are asking these things, we can type there. So we can switch to the expert mode, and you can see this will redirect to the this page. Now here you can see choose your objective. So select an objective to tailor your experience to the goals and settings that will work best for your campaign. There are 8 points you can see, like you can start sales ad, you can start leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, brand awareness and reach, app promotion, local store visits and promotions, or even you can create a campaign without a goals guidance. So in this video, actually our main purpose is to create the Google Ads account, not to start the campaign. In future, in upcoming videos, definitely I will show you that how we can start and run a successful campaign in Google Ads using Google Ads. But now in this video, the main purpose is to create the account, to set up the account. So what we can do, we can click here, create an account without a campaign. So without setting up a campaign, you can create an account. So just click here, and now you can see they're asking confirm your business information. So the billing country is showing like Pakistan, the default country from where I'm using my computer, and the time zone as per the country, and currency, make sure to select the currency, because this is, in future you will use this currency. So the next thing, optional, like you can select this option. Yes, send me performance tips, promotional offers, service and invitations to try new features. So Google will send you some tips about the performance, some offers, promotional offers and service and invitations, so you will able to try the new features. So you can enable this option and then submit. Congratulations, you are all done, and explore your account. Okay, so now we can explore our account. So the Google Ads account has been created. So you can see now here all campaigns, insights, campaign settings, change history, all the things we can see here. So the thing is, now if I close it, for instance this, and now if I open ads.google.com, so you can see now if I click on sign in, so this time we will redirect to the main dashboard, main page of the Google Ads of my account. So you can see here everything is here. So I can start a new campaign here. Okay, so now my account has been created, so we can start a new campaign. Okay, so this is the main dashboard of Google Ads. If you see your email, so you can also see the customer create ads. Congratulations on signing up for Google Ads. And you can see I have received an email from Google Ads that account has been created. So this was an easy process, like in 2023. You can follow these tips and tricks to create the account without setting up the campaign, because a lot of people ask me like how we can create the account without setting up the campaign. So as I explained or showed you the steps, you can follow them, and easily you can create your Google ad account without setting up the campaign. So I hope you have learned a lot in this video, and definitely in future we will create more videos about the Google Ads. So in this video you have learned a lot how to create a Google ad account. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and also if you share this video with your friends, that would be very grateful, because the people will, if you share the video, the people will see and they will definitely learn new skills. So I request you to share the video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your relatives, so they can also subscribe to my channel and they can also learn new professional skills. They can increase the skills. Thank you so much once again.